Look at this beautifully decorated box made from elephant ivory in the 10th century. It's an example of a Pyxis, and you can see it today in the Louvre Museum in Paris, France. What is a Pyxis? A Pyxis is a cylindrical container or box with a lid, typically used for storing personal items like jewelry, cosmetics, perfume, or even materials like incense. It's made in two pieces, a large cylindrical base and a removable domed lid. A Pyxis is a portable object. Notice that this Pyxis has no handles. The lid and base remain attached by metal mounts. These containers were common in Mediterranean cultures dating back thousands of years, including the ancient Greeks and Romans. But they continued to be popular among other people who lived in this area too, such as among the Umayyads, a Muslim dynasty from Syria who moved west and in the 8th century would take control of the Iberian Peninsula, or what is today Spain and Portugal. This ivory Pyxis was made in Spain under the Umayyad in 968 CE. Depending on the material and decoration, these could be luxury items like this one. Part of what made it expensive was the elephant ivory acquired from North Africa. Ivory is hard to carve, so the elaborate decoration here would have involved an artist with incredible skill. The dense decoration contains scrolling vines, animals, and human figures. It also has a written inscription in Arabic at the base of the lid. The Pyxis was possibly painted or inlaid with other materials like gemstones in the drilled holes. In a nutshell, a Pyxis like this one was expensive in both materials, labor, and skill, and so it was a luxury item made for someone of high social status. Objects like this were sometimes given as gifts among elites or other royal courts. In fact, this Pyxis was likely produced as a gift for an Umayyad prince named al-Mughira.